I've got a good feeling about this one. A love heart! It's so cute! Let's see who spins the wheel. I'm great at thumb wars. Yes! I won! Oh, so close. Please don't be bad. No paper. But how am I supposed to draw? Guess you'll need to figure that out. Watch this. I'll start by drawing a line down the middle. And another one. Then some lines at the top and bottom. And now for the sides of the heart. The pencil makes great guidelines for when we start to use ink. Once the basic shape is done, use an eraser to remove the guidelines around the edges. Then grab a pen and just follow the lines. It creates a great 3D effect. Now to add the color, remember to stay inside the lines. Once that's done, add shadowing to the inside edges. A regular pencil is fine for this. Just add to anywhere you think there would be a shadow, or where you think the light would be different. It's a different way of drawing a love heart, but it looks so impressive. That's it! What do you think? Wow! I mean, it's okay. What can I use? I know! My hands! It's pretty basic. There must be something I can do. Got it! A tiny heart! Huh? How about this? It's a heart! No it isn't? Sorry. Okay, now what do you think? Ugh, just give up! I know I can do this! Come on, fingers, don't let me down! I think I figured it out! I just need a red pen. Place one finger on top of the other, then draw a love heart. Then simply use a red pen to fill it in. It's not too bad. I like it. Or should I say, I love it. But I'm not finished. Let's add a smiley face. And you need another one for true love. How romantic. Look. Seriously? Aw, that's so cute. Hold on. I have an idea too. Don't ruin it. It'll be great. There! They're hugging! I think I'm gonna cry. It's so sweet. Elle, get some new art! Yikes. No thank you. No! Another rejection! Ah! Stranger! Help! Attack! Calm down. What's up? No one wants to buy my artwork. Grandpa, what are you even doing in that trash can? What do you plan to do with that garbage? You still don't trust me? Well, okay then. You'll have to watch. I'm gonna set this lid down on paper. And now to start spray painting the paper. I just want to coat the whole thing. Don't be afraid to cover the lid. And now to add some white paint down here in the corner. Want to just fill this whole space. And then it's plastic bag time. I'll dab the white with this bag. It'll pull the paint up a bit. There we go. And now I'll speckle it with some more white paint. Time to take the lid off. There we go. It's done. Ta-da! Wow, Grandpa! It's incredibly beautiful! I can't believe how easy it was for you to make this. Here, you can have this. I want that painting! Take all my money! Oh, this party looks excellent! Okay, here's my chance. Deep breath. Hey, how's it going? Listen to any good podcasts lately? Hey! Look at that over there! Isn't it cool? What? Where'd she go? Aw, she ditched me. That's okay. We can try again. Hey, good punch, huh? Excuse me. I have somewhere I need to be. Hi. Great party, right? Oh, sorry. I'm getting a call and I have to take this. I bet it wasn't even a real call. I don't even know what I'm doing wrong. Ouch! Where's everyone going? They're all going to see him? That doesn't even make sense. What's he got that I don't? I see. His hair. Okay, his wardrobe. Tattoos too? How can I compete with that? But look at how popular he is. Huh? What's this? A rock magazine? Hey, temporary tattoos! No way! Oh, wow, these are incredible! Time to give them a shot. Alright, I'm ready for my tattoos. Just roll my sleeve up and position the tattoo. Now to get it nice and wet. Seems to be sticking well. Let's peel it up and see if it worked. Whoa, it did work! It looks so real! Okay, time to rock this party with my new look. That's right. I've got the hair, the wardrobe, and the tattoos now. All the tattoos. There they all are! Hey, everyone! Okay, I mean, hey, what's up? Oh, look at him! Out of my way! I call dibs! Hey, what happened? Your tattoos are so cool! Well, whatever. At least I've got the popcorn. Hey, let's take a selfie! Smile! Hey, I think this piece is finished. I don't want to get ahead of myself, but I think this might be a masterpiece. I'll just set it over here on the easel. Wow, I love it! Oh, bubbles! I think I deserve a bit of a reward. Yes! Look how many there are! I love bubbles! Hey, I'm back. Oops. I knocked that painting off. Oh. It was my masterpiece! The best I've ever done! Wait a second. Bubbles? This gives me a great idea. I've got a plastic bottle. I'm gonna cut off the top. And now I'll stretch a little net over the opening. Next up, I'll pour soap into this glass tray. That should be enough. Now to dip the net end into the soap. Now the soap has stuck to the nut. Time to add some paint to it. I'll drip some blue. Some red, too. And then yellow, of course. Primary colors. Check. And now it's time to start blowing some bubbles. I'll just make sure I'm close to the canvas. And now I'll pop some of these bigger ones. There we go. I think the work is done. Hey, what do you think about this? Whoa! How did you do that? I just took inspiration from your bubbles. I made it for you. Thank you so much, Grandpa. I love it! Bubbles are truly great. Hey! What do you think of my new jacket? I totally got it on sale. It was 50% off. Isn't it just the best? Yeah, it's nice. I get it. But check out my new jacket. What do you think about my new phone case? Sparkles are so last year. I've got poppets. Whatever. I have this notebook, too. I decorated it with stickers. Hearts and stars and one little ice cream treat, too. What? Ugh! My notebook is so boring and plain. This isn't gonna work at all. There's gotta be something I can do. I've got these markers. Wait! I think I've got a plan! I've got markers and this knife. I'll cut off the tip. And then I'll make a few more cuts so it'll look like a heart. Aw! Look how cute it turned out! And now to bring out my notebook. I'll use it like a stamp. I don't have to stop at hearts either. There we go! I've got hearts and stars now, too! See? My notebook has that, too. And I didn't need stickers. Whoa! I can't believe you made that! My perspective. Looks good. Alright, I think I'm done. Better compare it to the original. Oh, this didn't turn out at all. There he is. I'll just sneak up on him. He's gonna love this. Oh, what's that? Ooh, that's rough. He must be having a rough day. Oh, look at those lights over there. That gives me a great idea. I've got this box frame, so I'll need to open it. Now I've got this little fairy lights. I'll stretch them around inside the box frame. And done! Time to return the back. Wow, this is great! Grandpa? Lights in a box? What's the point? Oh, Grandpa, come on. Let me show you. take a picture and put it on top of the glass.
Oh, I see. Wow, look at it glow! I get it! It's a tracing box!
Now you can recreate that picture.
Alright, time to give this another try. I can just follow all the lines that show through. Wow, this is working so well! It's almost easy. I've just got to finish the last little details. There we go, that should do it! A masterpiece at last. And all I needed was a frame and some lights. Thank you so much for your gift.
You're welcome! We'll pour some milk into this bowl. And now to add drops of food coloring. There's the red. And now for the blue. And of course, we can't forget the yellow. Now I need a cotton swab. Let's touch it to the milk. There it goes! It's starting to move! I can make it go in whatever direction I want. Time to do some mixing together. I'm kinda bored. I wonder what I should do. I've got it! Time to do some art. I'll start with this orange paint. Art is fun. It's hard to stay bored when you can be creative. Better stay hydrated, though. Oh no! What was I thinking? I have paint all over my fingers! Shoot, what a mess. Now what am I gonna do? The paint is all over the glass. Wait! I'm a genius! Alright, time to start with a clean glass and a fingertip of paint. That should be enough. Now I'm gonna draw a squiggle line across the top. Good! I'll add some more too. Then I can add a little marker underneath the color dabs. I'm done! Eee! It's so cute! It looks like little lights wrapped around my glass. It's definitely a lot prettier than it was before. I can't believe I came up with this. And time for some more juice. Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey! What do you think of my new jacket? I totally got it on sale. It was 50% off. Isn't it just the best? Yeah, it's nice. I get it. But check out my new jacket. What do you think about my new phone case? Sparkles are so last year. I've got poppets. Whatever. I have this notebook, too. I decorated it with stickers. Hearts and stars and one little ice cream treat, too. What? Ugh! My notebook is so boring and plain. This isn't gonna work at all. There's gotta be something I can do. I've got these markers. Wait! I think I've got a plan! I've got markers on this knife. I'll cut off the tip. And then I'll make a few more cuts so it'll look like a heart. Aw! Look how cute it turned out! And now to bring out my notebook. I'll use it like a stamp. I don't have to stop at hearts either. There we go! I've got hearts and stars now, too. See? My notebook has that, too. And I didn't need stickers. Whoa! I can't believe you made that! The squirrel has to give my ice cream back. Not the rocky road. Yeah! Time to do painting! I'm an artist! I'm the best at art! Painting is fun! Oh no! I got paint on our computer! I know! I'll just clean it off! Wait! It's just smearing! Oh no! It's making an even bigger mess! It all just turned pink! She's gonna be so mad at me! Huh? She's awake! What are you doing? Why are you staring at me? Huh. You're acting weird. Really suspicious. Wait a second! Oh! My laptop! What happened to it? You painted it pink! Huh? What's this over here? A straw? Wait! I can totally salvage this travesty! Okay, here's my poor messed up laptop. I need more paint. That's right. More, not less paint is the solution. White and yellow too. And some purple. So pretty. And maybe just a bit of this brownish yellow. Okay, now I'm ready for the straw. I'll start blowing this paint now. I'll use the air to push the paint around the laptop. Gotta keep going. I like the different colors for sure. And the patterns and textures it makes are cool. Wow! It turned into a legit piece of artwork. It's beautiful! Makes me think of waves in the ocean. I can't believe how well it turned out. Wow! Look at her computer! So cool! Almost done stacking my foods. No! It's falling! Shoot! I'm so bad at this. Wait, is that paint up there? Yeah! It is paint! And an easel! She left them out. I'm gonna do some art. Is she around? I don't want to get caught. Nope, the door's shut. Time for painting. I like this pink color. It's pretty. I'm so good at painting. The best, even. Alright, got the supplies I need. What the heck? Hi! Look! I'm painting! Isn't it good? Sure. I guess so. What am I gonna do? He's already ruined the canvas? Yep. I think I've got a solution! Alright, I've got the canvas. A perfect A. Time for some paint. I'll use the color he used. Blue over here. I need more blue and some yellow. All the colors. Time to do some cleaning with the sponge. Just kidding. This is part of the art. I want to use the sponge to dab at all the paint colors. It's okay if I get some on the tape. Turns out doing this dabbing is pretty fun. But it's not really all that quick. Not if you want to do it well anyway. Phew! There we go. I finally covered the canvas with all the paint. Here I go! Pulling off the tape! It comes right off! Wow! It looks amazing! It turned out great! Wow! That's amazing! You're so good at painting! Do one for me!